Welcome to Lora based health monitoring project. Okay, this is the transmitter side, means patient side. Uh, this is the receiving side, which is monitored by doctor or any other persons. Okay, here we can observe that the sensors for the health monitoring. Uh, this is the pulse sensor. So it is very bright. This is the pulse sensor. We can check the pulse with this sensor, means heartbeat. Okay. This is the DHT sensor for room temperature and the humidity, and this is LM35 for the body temperature, and this is ECG sensor for monitoring ECG electrocardiogram through like this monitor. We can observe this. We have to stick this to our body, not our body, to the patient body. Okay, this is the Lora module. We can see that, or Lora. Here we can observe the data of the health monitoring sensors through LCD display. T for room temperature, H for room humidity, BT for body temperature, it is now 80. B for BPM, means beats per minute, means heartbeat. E for ECG. Okay. Now we can see that same data receiving in the receiver side. Okay. Here we can observe that at receiver side Arduino Nano, a buzzer, and the Lora module. We can also trigger the buzzer through transmitter side switch, which is for emergency switch for patient side. Whenever a patient clicks the emergency button, here buzzer will be triggered. Okay. Thank you.